Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the admit card of UPSC 2023, I hope you have already downloaded. Many students have already forwarded me their admit card and details and all. And there are some people who have some issues also in not getting photographed correctly. And also I'll show you a sample also, somewhat like this. Okay, your admit card will look somewhat like this. Here your photo and the signature should be there. And if in case it's not there, in case it's blank white here or the photo is blur, okay. So if it's blank here, sometimes it will be technical issue. After some time you download again with a proper internet connection, it will come. Okay, but if it is blur, okay, photo is not clear. Okay, then if you can email the UPSC, but also there is a provision which is written in the admit card itself or in the instructions that if it is blur, you have to carry two self-attested photographs with you, okay, to the exam hall, and then you can stick it there. Okay, so that is in case the photo is blur. But anyway, nowadays UPSC is while filling the form itself, it's like they verify it, okay, whether it's a good image and everything, and only then they allow you to apply. So you won't get such issues at least, but in case you get it, contact UPSC or then follow the instructions which they tell. Okay, instructions I'll read in this video itself. We'll go to the UPSC website and read the instructions so that you come to know. Okay, so here your name will be there, here your roll number will be there, and the ID card, whether it's Aadhaar card, driving license, whatever you give, that number will be here. Okay, and your father, mother name which you gave in your OTR form this time, that will come here, and here the city or the center will be there. Okay, it can be like Hyderabad or whichever city you are given. Okay, and here the detailed thing will be there, and this you have to be very careful because it will be written like with everything. Okay, like it will be like St. Stephen's College, then road number 3, cross number 6, pin code number this. So very detailed it will be. Why it's important? Because a place like Bangalore and all, the same name like St. John's College, like 3-4 St. John's College will be there. So if you don't go to the correct center, you will then waste your time, and you will not be able to, even if you realize later, then you will not be able to catch up with the Bangalore traffic and reach the other center. Okay, so immediately first thing you have to do is whatever you got this, okay, this one properly verify, put in your, if you're going in cab or something, in your Ola app or Uber app, put this address correctly, okay, with the complete street name and all. Then you should locate it, and the Google map also check from wherever you are staying, from there to that place, how much distance it is, or if it's a different city you have to travel on that day and reach and all, how much time it takes, everything. Okay, because you know the time. Okay, first morning paper 9:30 to 11:30, the morning GS1 paper, which is the most important paper, and again the qualifying paper 2:30 to 4:30. Okay, so morning, this afternoon anyway you are there only, the first one morning. Okay, 9:30 means 8:30 onwards at least they will start the entry. Okay, entry to the hall. Okay, so at least 8 o'clock they will open the gate and all. 8 o'clock you should be outside standing there. Okay, not like you rush and reach there by 9 or 9:15. That is not a good sign of a good aspirant. Okay, so at least 8 o'clock you should be there in that compound area, okay, in that premises area. And for that, obviously, if you are staying wherever, okay, obviously your centers will be never in the proper inside the town. Okay, always UPSC gives in the like most outskirts of the city. Even in Bangalore, it doesn't mean inside the center of Bangalore you will get. It will be mostly in the outskirts of Bangalore, which will be always 1 hour from wherever you stay. Okay, unless you are staying in a hotel room or something which is very nearby that. Okay, so 7 o'clock at least you have to plan. So 6 o'clock you have to wake up. So this is a very like backward kind of process, and this and all has to be thought about like now itself, not like you busy, like you're busy with your preparation until last minute you didn't even check where is your center, how much far it is, how much price it will take for you to reach there that day, bus, train, cab, whatever. This all you have to keep in mind. Okay, these are basic things which most of the students don't take care, and all your studies will go in vain if you don't reach there. Okay, so see, bring this e-admit card, print out. Okay, not like your soft copy in the phone. Print out, you have to take physical printout you have to take, and it can be color or black and white. It's not like your photo has to come in color and all. It can be black and white printout also. Okay, along with the original photo identity card, which is like what is mentioned here. Whatever number Aadhaar card means Aadhaar card you have to carry. Driving license means driving license. Original, okay, you have to carry, not any copy. And then black ballpoint pen. Okay, this is again a very important thing and a very silly thing which most students miss it. They think like, okay, we can take blue pen or whatever, and in the exam hall you will start turning here and there and ask like, can you lend me a black pen? I got blue pen. You even fight with the examiner. I have seen this. Okay, I've seen in like many years back when we were in the centers, we have seen students doing this. Okay, so don't do such silly things. You are preparing for like one of the toughest exam in the country, and so minimum you should know the rules and regulations of the exam. Okay, so for every section you have to have this pen and admit card and this Aadhaar card you have to show. Only then they will verify and allow you to even fill that OMR sheet and all those things. Okay, now that and all, I'll again, if you want tips like how to fill the OMR sheet and all these things, just before the exam I'll make again more videos. Okay, that I'll tell you what are the upcoming videos also I'll tell you. So again, entry, if you see 10 minutes before, in case you reach late also, until 9:20 they will allow you to enter. Okay, afternoon also 2:20 they will allow you to enter, but that doesn't mean I told don't come at the last moment. Okay, be there at least 1.5 hours before and be present in your venue. Okay, so before going to later part of this video, whatever it is, okay, how much ever you prepared, you started late, maybe your coaching class promised you something and did not teach you what is required for the exam. Many things can happen, or you fell sick, or maybe family issues, personal issues, your studies did not do good. You just have to focus on the next 20-25 days you have, and then just go and give that exam. Don't bother about the result. Okay, when you worry about the result only, you have all this tension. Okay, maximum what will happen, it's an exam, you will just, if you are failing, it's failed. Okay, you are not having that faith to pass, because 99.99 people will fail. It's not a like only you are failing. Okay, the brightest of brightest students will fail, because this exams vacancies and the count and all these things is like that. The cutoff is not pre-decided. Everything depends on that day's performance, that day's appearance. Everything depends on that day. Okay, UPSC themselves don't know what is the cutoff. They declare it after your exam is over. Okay, after the performance of each student, if they see like, okay, here this much mark is it, that I'll tell you in another video. They got the number of count, means whatever is that last person's mark, that is the cutoff. Okay, so it varies from year to year, and it's going in the average, it's in the range of 90s. It is going out of 200. The morning paper is going in that range. Okay, there was a time it was 116, 120 and all in like 2016 prelims. It was like that, but after that it went down, and now it is like a general category person needs only around 90 marks or even lesser than 88 marks and all to clear the prelims. Okay, so that also is tough, because the question paper overall is becoming tough. The options are tough, the designing is tough. That and all I have taught you in different videos. That also I'll tell you more in this video itself. Okay, but before that, what are the upcoming videos? Because I know many 24 people, 25 or maybe 22 who is waiting for result. Such people might be watching this video. So when will this 22 result come? When will the all India rank come? That and all I'll tell you in a next video. I have already planned it. Maybe today or tomorrow I'll put it out. Like when will the 2022 result come, the cutoff come, all these things I'll tell you, the date exactly, and how to clear the 23 cutoff which you are going to give now. That what you have to keep in mind, and how to reset cutoff, that I'll make a separate video. CSAT comprehension passage is getting tougher every year, so that related some tips I'll tell you in a separate video. And other than that, CSAT generally, okay, some 10 tips already is there in the YouTube, but again in context of the latest question paper, I'll tell you some tips to how to clear the CSAT paper. Then important reports, okay, which already you are enrolled to my test series, means I have given you tons of PDFs. In that, lot of reports are already covered. Okay, and daily plums at 9 PM, there also we are covering lot of reports, but still I'll try to cover separate reports also in a video series. Okay, then as I told, the exam hall tips for May 28th, a separate video will come. And then 2024, okay, a 1 year timetable test series, which we usually do, 365-day timetable, each day what to study, when will each test be delivered, that kind of fun timetable I am planning, and by this month end it will come. Okay, now my focus is on the 23 students who are studying or maybe studying since last 1 year, and they need my time and support now. Okay, so 24 people, it will come at the end of this month. You have a lot of time to study. Okay, 1 year is not even required for this exam actually, if you study from the right source. In 6 to 8 months actually you can complete everything. Okay, including your optional you can study, but you have to be having a proper timetable that I will give you by the end of this month. Now you will have doubt like how to download this and what all things to carry. Okay, that kind of things you have. So these are all, you have to read the instructions. When you go to UPSC website, especially in this first 1 or 2 days, when you're trying to download anything, it will be busy. Okay, the server busy message may come. Now they have improved all the storage space and all, so it should have been solved, but still, okay, in case you get such an issue, you just have to try again after some time. Okay, because it will be available till your prelims day, any day you can download. Okay, only the printing time extra you need. So here again, watch all the videos. Okay, the economic survey series is going on, especially for 23 prelims. So it's all small. If you see 15-minute, 20-minute, we will do like the 10-12 episodes, and your complete economic survey will be done. Even in mains, you can learn from this playlist itself. Okay, it's going on, everyday videos coming. So here, go to UPSC website, and here always, the what's new section will be there. Okay, here somewhere it will be there. It's written, see, admit card preliminary. Okay, if you want to click there, or if you cannot click there, then here view all will be there. Okay, because it's continuously scrolling, sometimes you will not be able to get it. So here on press note is there, and admit card. Press note is the same thing. Okay, like we have uploaded the admit card, you can go and download that kind of full there news report that is here. Okay, and here if you click the admit card, see, civil service exam 23 prelims e-admit card, click here. So when you click here, now they will take you again the same thing. See, issue date is 8/5/2023, yesterday night, and 28 is the exam day. So till then this will be available here. After that, then anyway nobody needs it. Okay, so here, click here. When you click here, they will give you the instructions, a detailed instruction in Hindi. It's there, those who want to read it in Hindi, or scroll down, you will get in English. Okay, so English, if you see, check the e-admit card carefully and bring discrepancy. As I told, if your photo is not clear, if your address is wrong, if your Aadhaar card number is wrong, you have to inform them, because that day you carry an Aadhaar card number and go, and number is mismatching, they will not allow you. Okay, you cannot fight with the invigilator that time. So now 20 days are there, so fix everything now. Okay, then mention your name, roll number, registration ID, name, year of exam, etc. while correspondence. Okay, meaning you are contacting UPSC in case of any problem. You have to keep all these details. Okay, only then they will even care about your email or phone call or whatever. Okay, then bring this printout, original photo identity card, and also with that in the morning and afternoon paper, only then you will get it. Okay. And only if you go there, your attempt will be counted. I've told it in multiple videos, but still telling. You did everything. Now you got the admit card also. Still, if you don't go to the exam hall that day, your attempt will not be counted. Okay. Admit only when you go and sit there, your attempt is counted. Okay. Just because you got admit card doesn't mean your attempt is counted. Okay. Now, you are responsible for safe custody of this thing. That means because many people tell after the prelims, they throw it away or keep it away. Later, mains time, they forget where is their admit card, or even result comes, they don't know where is their admit card. So, such things are your responsibility. Okay, you cannot go and ask UPSC like please issue a new admit card. They will not give you. Okay, you need to keep it safe. So again, any problem, you contact them. Then examination time, I told you 9:20 a.m. and 2:20 p.m. is the entry time, maximum entry time. Before that itself you have to go. They are advised to enter the examination venue well in time for frisking. Okay, meaning they will check your pockets and all these things and all. So such things. Okay, then other thing, COVID protocol, like whether mask or that things and all, unless UPSC tells you specifically or the government tells you in case that time some corona rise comes, you don't have to worry. Okay, in UPSC instructions it mostly won't be there. Okay, but still you can carry one small bottle of sanitizer and this thing all if you want, you can carry. But 21 and 20 prelims, that was mandatory, but here I don't think they have mentioned it. Okay, and candidates should note that they shall not be allowed to appear at any examination venue except the thing which is mentioned. Okay, I mean you cannot go wherever you like and give the exam. Now, special instructions is also there in a particular link. There also you can go and read the rules of examination. That is like basic other things like how to fill OMR sheet and such things and all that most of you will already know. Okay, then again, you are just giving the exam doesn't mean you are going to definitely clear, or no promises are made by UPSC. Then watches and mobile phones. Okay, this is again doubt of students. Mobile phone you obviously will carry because you have to book the cab, you have to do payment and all. So you will have the mobile phone, but you can switch it off and then put it in your bag or whatever. Always carry a bag. Inside that keep all the things, and that bag they will give you a special room or special security guard. Someone will be there who will take care of your bags. Okay, that will be there in every center across India. You don't have to worry about that, but you have to switch it off, not take it inside the exam hall. Okay, don't put it in your pocket and later fight with them. They will tell you keep everything outside, keep everything outside. Okay, it will be safe only. And then watches, you cannot carry smart watches, meaning your Apple phone or Apple watch or that kind of things you cannot take. Okay, you can take any normal watch, normal dial, not even digital, normal analog watch you can carry, because you need to obviously check the time. This exam is all about time. You have to have a simple wristwatch. It will be allowed. Okay, sometimes the security people or the teachers there won't know that and they will tell you to remove. You can show them this instruction. Okay, if you want, you can take this printout and go, or immediately open this website and show them. Okay, you can carry watch and that is your right. Okay, then penalty negative mark, you know, minus 0.66 is there for each question you do wrong. If you leave the question, if you don't attempt, then there's no plus or minus. Okay, you can leave as many questions if you want, but if you attempt it and it's wrong, minus 0.66. Then black ball points. See, this much they are also highlighting because they know many students comes there with blue and then later starts fighting there. Okay, so don't do that. Carry black pen. Now itself buy black pens and practice in your OMR sheets if you have, and get used to it. And don't buy any gel pen or very sharp pointed pen and all, because OMR sheet will tear and it will become problem. Okay, a normal black ballpoint pen. Okay, so test with all that. Buy that around in advance, not like on the day of exam. So again, don't carry costly things. They won't be responsible. If you do not have clear photographs, you will have to bring a photo identity proof and 2 passport size photographs, one for each session for appearing in the examination. Okay, meaning you don't need to even contact them. If the photo is blur, signature is blur, you have to do this. Okay, no harm in contacting them, but they have given an option. Carry an identity card, photo identity card where your photo is there, and 2 passport size photo to stick it on the place where the photo is not clear. Okay. Then if you have a scribe or disability kind of thing and all, that again, the instructions are given here. Those who are disabled, those who need another person to write your exam for you, if you are blind or something, such things and all. In this link, if you click, a detailed again set of instructions are there. Okay, see here, advised to wear mask or face cover, meaning advised means it's not mandatory, but still it's good if you take it. Okay, on the exam time you can remove it, but while entering, just have it with you. Okay, then visit the examination center at least 1 day prior. That is your choice if you want, if you're doubtful about the place. Okay, see, for verification they'll ask you to remove the mask. That time remove. You may carry sanitizer. Okay, in small transparent bottle, may carry. Then COVID protocols as per your state. That time if something is there, you have to follow, keep the distance, everything, just follow them. Okay, then you can print this, and as I told, print it and keep it with you. And after that, here, have you taken the printout? Okay, if you've taken or not, you have to give yes. Okay, only then you can go forward. So give yes. Once you give yes, they will tell you either give registration ID or the roll number, which you got while applying, right? February month you applied, February I think up to 28th or something you applied it. So that time you would have got these things. And if you forgot, again click here. They will ask you to enter your name, father's name, mother's name, that Aadhaar card, something which you had basic OTR detail. They'll ask you, and then they will again help you. Okay, they will help you get it. And for technical things, again some link is given, extra instructions, another thing is given. So everything is given here again and again. Okay, now give your roll number, click on this, suppose whichever you want. Okay, roll number, and then give that roll number here. Your birth date, you can select this DDMMYY format, put this CAPTCHA code, give submit, and you will get the admit card thing. Okay, which I showed you in the other place, right? In the this thing in the PPT itself, I showed you how it will look like. That thing here, like this, it will come. Print it and keep it ready now itself. Okay, if you want 2-3 copies, take 2-3 copies and keep it. Anyway, one only you need to carry. Okay, so that's about how the thing will look like, and that is how you have to go and give the exam. Okay, now in case you have not taken any test series, okay, you have not taken anything, there is a very low chance that you will clear the prelims. Okay, any institute, please take mock test. Please take not like online test, at least question answers. Okay, especially starting with the previous year papers of last 5 to 6 years you have to do. And we Vysh IAS have done everything for free already. Okay, test series, if you have joined, please practice that. If you have not practiced, please do the plum series and elimination things and all. Like I'll tell you these playlists. If you see CSAT previous year papers are there, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, we have done. It's all completely free. Okay, each and every question with not only the answer, the explanation, why that question was asked in that particular year, what kind of questions will come in the future, what are the elimination techniques, without even studying how to solve UPSC questions, everything is taught in this series. Okay, so please watch this playlist, which is completely free. If you don't have this link, come and WhatsApp me. I will give you this links. Okay. Then this excellent playlist which I made. This playlist has thousands of views, and this is the one which helped most of my students clear the prelims last year. Okay, even if they did not buy my test series, they saw this series, and many of them came and messaged me the exam day that because of this playlist we solved many extra questions. Okay, because 5-10 extra questions you solve, you are definitely going to clear. Okay, because in 100 questions, easily at least 40 questions most of you solve. Okay, most of the hardworking students will score 40 questions, that is 80 marks you get. But you need clear and cutoff means you need 90 to 95 marks, meaning you need extra how many? You need extra 15 marks you need, that is at least 8 or 9 questions extra you need. So this kind of playlist is helping students do that. So please watch it. Okay, there's an elimination technique of every year, 21, 20, 19, 18. I put elimination techniques, and this has actually helped many students. Okay, then we have already 21 playlist I have started. I'll try to complete it before your prelims. And then there is this plums which is going on every day. Okay, this is based on latest current affairs, latest topics, and so there are high chance that many questions will come from this playlist alone. Okay, so these are all again given to my test series students in detailed PDF format. Those who are not enrolled, I'm telling, please watch all this today itself. And other than that, if you are demotivated, you will feel nervous. I know that you will feel like you studied a lot, but still feeling like you didn't read anything. Then this is exam only, but still you are tensed. You're like, you feel like this is the end of your life. There are many things. Okay, hard work or smart work, 1 week to prelims, what to do. There are many things which I already done in my Vysh Motivation series. There is a playlist called Vysh Motivation. All these things will keep you more energized or motivated, and you can go and give the prelims with more confidence. Okay, I've done all this, but again, if you want, I will redo it. But when already playlist is existing, just go and have a look. Okay, please watch it, and you will see your life changing. Okay, in case now again still any subject you feel, okay, this is the most important subject, I have not touched it, I have put subject wise packs. Okay, this is for 23 students, 24 a very detailed 1 year timetable based test series will come. This is only for those people who feel like, okay, last minute if I could, somebody could give me some current affairs of last 12 years compiled in a PDF, it will be helpful for me. Or if I get some maps and environment practice questions, it will be good for me. Or spectrum based important questions. If you need such help, such only, then you please come and WhatsApp me in this number, and then enroll to this. And then that PDFs, you can use it for lifetime also. It is like a lifetime soft copy thing, PDF. You can print it, you can do whatever you want, you can study it. Okay, so in case you fail also, this will be helpful next year also. So please, if you feel like that, just enroll, else don't enroll. Okay, if you feel you already have good test series, you are already part of a very good institute, practice their mock test, keep learning from them, listen to mentors there, don't listen to us, listen to them, because they would have guided you 1 year fully. So you should believe in them only. Everyone should be like that. Trust, learn and trust from a single mentor, and you will surely clear. Okay, so we at Vysh IAS also is trying to guide you. If you are a 24 student, 25 student and all, foundation is the thing which you have to start with, and that foundation you can simply send me a WhatsApp message and start today itself. 25 videos continuously you watch, in 7 to 10 days you will see you are one among the top aspirants in the country already. Okay, before even you start your studies, this foundation will change your life. This is my promise to you. If you don't get that thing, that means you have not watched it. Okay, if you watch it, I can guarantee you that this has been experienced from students of the last 4-5 years with Vysh IAS. Okay, so please WhatsApp me. I'll see you at the in the WhatsApp message. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.